Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Umentri rangba kajela u Konrad Kongkel sangma haga sngiba ar jong katayo ula say di ki jing shisha bat ki jing kenjing dia ban keren scam baka mukro kadai ka badang ha papo upu usam jong ka Meghalaya. Haba jubab ni ki jing keli balawan ra do MLA ke VPP na North Shillong constituency uba Adelbert Nongrum ubala kwa ban tip la ka mukro ka hap Meghalaya lani ha asa u Konrad ula say di ki jing tho ki jing kenjing dia pat ki jing batai pan pen i baka mukro kadai ka badang hap Meghalaya. U Konrad ulo ong baka mukro kadang hap West Gentia Hills bat kani ka snong kadon ka VEC bala penrung kerteng hapo ka Laskin block nakabenta ki election ulo ong baka don ka Jakarta vote lani ka polling station ha mukro A bat mukro B bat kini ki hap hapo ka Mokayao constituency. Ulia thoru baka mukro ki don ki jing tei jong ka sarkar Meghalaya ki bakintop ya ka yeng school bat ka jaka ai jing sumar. Nalor kata ulo ongru bahadu ka khanyo trik unai leber 8,000 arpulai ki don sanspa artli ki job card hapo ka mukro VEC bat ki nongsong snong ki yo jing mentoy lingba ki scheme ka sarkar pedeng bala pentre kam da ka sarkar Meghalaya kum ke PMAYG, Jal Jeevan Mission, SBM, bat kiway. Henry u Konrad ula krensyai bet baka mukro kadang hap hapo ke jela Meghalaya. La ban penken mau badang haki kendiat sngi balala. Ke sarkar Assam kala kam hapo ke ying norbar thau an baka mukro kade ke jaka ka badang hap hapo upur usam jong ke West Karbi Anglong district.
Supplementary question.
Exactly, sir. Supplementary question. Sir, I would like to get a clear clarification from Honorable Chief Minister, because you are completely confused about the area, Mokro. This particular area, where it falls, whether it falls into a state of Meghalaya or Assam, a state of Assam.
No, this is not related to the principal question. No. This is regarding the safety and security of the people.
Yes,
now,
exactly.
You're
sir.
talking about the line of,
Exactly, sir. This also it's very relevant with the entire safety and security of the.
Sir, for the benefit of the honourable member, first I have to ask him: is he confused, or is he asking me? I'm confused.
No. The state as a whole confused. Why? Because
I don't think anybody's confused.
No.
It sounds like you're confused.
The people of the state.
you put your question,
sir.
You could put your question, please.
I'll put the question, sir. Because why we are getting the statement from. We have seen the statement made by Honorable Chief Minister.
Your question,
Assam.
please. Yes.
Yes. Because of that, I would like to know from this August House to get a clear picture whether Mokro areas fall into a state of Meghalaya or state of Assam.
Sir, as you said correctly, that this is not a part of this this question, but it's a very important issue. As mentioned, sir, the honourable member himself sounds a bit confused about this issue. I have, number one, clearly stated yesterday that Mukro is very much within the state of Meghalaya. There is no doubt about that, sir. Whether it is from the census code, which is the 279192 census code, Mukro village is under jurisdiction of West Gentia Hills. Mukro village is also listed as having a VEC under the MGNRGS in Laskin block. The election that took place, there are polling stations of 4 Mukro A and 5 Mukro B falling under Mokaya constituency, with a population of voting of Mukro A male 802 and female 794, and the elections were conducted and voting took place. In the Mukro village, fair price shops from Meghalaya side of Mukro A, 235 ration cards and 1,285 beneficiaries, and in Mukro B, 179 ration cards and 944 beneficiaries are there. In Mukro village also has got state government, Meghalaya state government buildings, which is the Mukro government LP school and the Mukro health sub-center, which is offering services to the people. And so on and so forth, sir. As of 17th March, in fact, the Mukro VEC has 502 job cards issued, and the residents of the area are getting the benefits through the state government. in terms of the central schemes which are being implemented by Meghalaya state government under PMAYG, Jal Jeevan, SBM, and other developmental activities, sir. So I just wanted to clarify there is no confusion, and the other statements being made are statements that are made, but our stand is very clear that Mukro is very much part of Meghalaya, and the facts and figures I have given to you clearly indicate that Mukro is very much part of Meghalaya, sir.
Thank you,
Next supplementary question.
Honorable Chief Minister, for replying the question which had put forward. So I would like more to, if that is the case, that Mukro is fallen beloved state of Meghalaya, then the last resident which taken place in Mukro, 5 innocent life has been taken unnecessary by the official from the Assam counterpart. So whether the state government had filed an FIR, may I know this, sir?
Sir, as mentioned earlier, that this is sub judice in the sense that there is a commission of inquiries, and sir, as per Rule 37.10, under the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, it states that it shall not ordinarily, in terms of the conditions of accessibility of questions, so it should not ordinarily ask about matters pending before any statutory tribunal or statutory authority performing any judicial or quasi-judicial functions, or any commissions or any commission or court of inquiry. So therefore, I will not be able to go into much of the details because it's as per the rules, but I can just, for the satisfaction of the honorable member, mention to him that under the Nartyang PS, a case has been, FIR has been registered, sir.
So last, my last supplementary question, sir. Okay, if that is the case, that you have registered the, this incident which has taken place. So may I know the case number, sir? Because this is for the benefiting, not for me, not for VPP, but for the people of the state. Because
Sir.
in my, excuse me, sir, because in my place, there are times that consciousness is far greater than the written law.
What is exactly your question? The case number.
Yes, sir.
Sir, as I mentioned, that this entire thing is under the judiciary inquiry right now, commissions of inquiry, and hence it will not be appropriate for me to go into all the details. And therefore, all the information and all is available in this file, but I'm not have it right now with me. But as I said, if the honorable member would like, then we'll make it available. But as I said, we would avoid wanting to go into details about the Mukro because the inquiry of commissions is going on, sir.